Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the game mode to have a great experience when you are gaming with your computer. So if you use the Windows 11 and you do a lot of gaming on your computer, you can just enable this game mode by going to the settings. So click on the Windows button and go to settings. And in here you'll find there's this gaming settings that you can find on the left panel. This is where you can enable the game mode. You can optimize your PC for play. So you can see that my game mode is currently on, so you can optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So your gaming experience will run smoothly if you enable this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.